Ready. We're waiting for daddy na lang. Look, buddy. Wow. Mainit ang araw yan, Bibiana. Mainit ang araw. Show them again, show them again. Ayan na, look at me here. Baby, show them. OOTD for today. Show them. Ako'y kapoy naman. Uy. Ay, nag-aantay lang kami ng aming boss. Kasi nandoon yung key sa kanya. Yung key na makaalis kami. Ayan na. Look at me here. Ayan na. Smile muna, baby, yan ako bago alis. Take a picture yan ha, baby. Oh, picture mo na, baby, yan na. Look at here. Ayan na, baby. Yan na. Uy, ano bang iniisip mo dyan? Look at here, smile. Baby. Ay, ayaw niya. Wala siya sa mood. Oh, papa, be careful. Where's Tata She? Where's Tata She, Yana? Thank you. We're in SM now. Excuse me. Where's the baby, Yana? Nasa SM na kami. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami maghahanapan nito. Pero we'll try to go to the playground first, baby, Yana. Maybe we could find Tita She there. Your Tata She. You wanna ride the horsey, baby, Yana? Tinan mo. Ang dami niyang nakikita. Natutuwa siya. Oh, we're gonna ride, baby, that train. Later on. Yeah, saan kaya dito yung playground? Ang alam ko nasa baba. So, we will see. Buti na lang walang pa-music si SM. Good job, SM. Charot. Where's Tata She? Yeah, can you find Tata She? And Ate Malia? Where are they? Ayan na, where are they? Hindi pa to nagdidi yung isa. Kanina pa to. Excited lumabas. So ngayon, ikot-ikot lang tayo. What was that? Ha? Parang may pumutok. Oh, may pop-music na dito sa taas. Unahan. Doggy, kitty doggy. Where's Tata She? Oh, kuya, tumingin sa dadaanan mo. Okay. Let's see. Find Tata She. Where's Tata She? Oh, baby, it's a big minion there, baby Ayana. Is that a big minion? Tingnan natin sila dito. Ay, ayun. Where's Tata? Where's Tata? I can see Tata and Malia. There you go. Yana, where's Tata? Here. Hello. Hello. Malia, where's my kiss? Where's Tato's kiss? Hoy! Ayaw na magpa-kiss. Basta kiss. Where's my kiss? Ang cute. I got you. Where's Tata's kiss? Malia, bless Tata. Wow, sana all. God bless you. Hindi pa kayo pumasok? Hindi pa kayo pumasok? May taga-ano na ako. May taga-video na. Ako ng taga-video, siya taga-tulak. Ito mag-ina, oh. Collector yata to sila. May mga belt bag sila. Ano bang kinukolektan nyo? Oh, mabunggo. Malaking kalaban yan. Video na lang tayo kaya meron na tayong tagatulak. Ang cute ni Malia. Kotse ba kayo? Nagkotse kayo? Kotse na? Bawal pa? Ah. May kotse na sila eh. Hindi pala sila nagkotse ngayon. Ready Yana? Want to play? Let's go play. Yeah, where are you? Ay, wala man. Mamaya, te. Baka mayroon sa kapatid ko. Where's Ate Malia? Right there. Ate Malia. Yes. Ate Malia. Yes. No, it's okay. Just borrow. Just get something else then. She's... Yeah, because she's still using it. Oh, brum brum, mabibi yan na. Right? 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 Careful. Careful. Right? Oh, peekaboo. Who is that?
I'm up here.
Where's Ate Malia? Ate Malia. Ooh. Yes. Dami siya nakikitang kakaiba. Oh, oh. Come on. You wanna drive? Drive? It's the pretty Anna. Let's keep walking. Yeah, keep walking. Keep walking, my baby Yana. Come, let's go. Let's go. Keep walking. Keep walking. Oh, careful. Okay, my baby Yana, sit right. Yana. Okay, yeah. What's next? One, two. Kuya, can you move this one here? Kuya na. Wait, baby first. Baby first. One, two, three. Kuya, start, kuya. Kuya, No fighting yan. Amalia.
You carry and you go.
Mama's turn. Mama's turn and baby. Okay, you want to see it? No?
I'll do it later.
Okay. Not like that. Baby Yana, you wanna ride? Yana. Mommy, oh. Inside, baby. Inside. Look inside. Here. Dito tayo, baby. Kaya mag-isa lang tayo dito. Wait. May sumunod.
Hello.
Si hi. Sumunod man yung mga lugtok. Baby, turn. Turn. Baby, turn. One. Baby, push. Push. Oh, push. 1, 2. Limited yung kanilang playground dito. Masyadong masikip.
The trampoline.
Yeah, where is it? Where's the trampoline? Pinawisan na ako, baby Yana. Let's go, Timalia, baby. Timalia, what are you doing? Timalia, we're here. What are you doing? You building what?
This one.
Wow,
Go.
boxes.
You can go inside.
What do you call that?
But it's only for children. You can't fit.
Won't fit? It's okay.